Namaste. I'm Rosalie, and this is a short, guided morning meditation. To begin, just find a comfortable position, just whatever feels comfortable for you. Just allow your eyes to blink closed, and we'll begin taking 3 big cleansing breaths. And again. One more big inhale. Let it all go. Allow your lips to come together, breathing in and out through your nose. Take a moment just to tune into your physical body, releasing any tension in your forehead, your eyes, your jaw, and your shoulders completely relaxed. Can you soften and let go through your whole physical body? Now check in with your mind. Just notice what thoughts might be running around in your mind. And see if you can soften the muscle of your mind, letting any thoughts go, softening and releasing the muscle of your mind. Now tune into your breath. Just start to notice the natural flow of your breath. Noticing how your body expands as you inhale, and how it softens and releases as you exhale. Just follow each inhale and each exhale. Let everything else go. Start to notice the gaps, the pauses between the breaths, at the top of your inhales and at the bottom of your exhales. See if you can lengthen those pauses. Now bring to mind a few things you're grateful for. These could be big things or little things. Anything that fills you up with a sense of joy and happiness. And allow all these good feelings, these feelings of gratitude and joy and happiness, just to flow through every cell in every part of your body, filling yourself up with this good energy. Gather up all this good energy, all these good feelings. See if you can radiate them outwards, Send these good feelings above you. Send them below you, to the front, to the back, to the left and the right. So you're completely encircled in a big bubble of good feeling. And take a few breaths here, just really basking in these good feelings you've generated within you and around you. Perhaps setting an intention to allow all these good feelings to follow you throughout your day. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Once again, my name is Rosalie, and I release a new yoga or meditation or yoga nidra track every Tuesday. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. You can also hit the bell to be notified every time I release a new video. And please come back to this practice in the morning or any time you want to set yourself up for a great day ahead. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.